I am center manager for Seminole and Holdenville Workforce Centers. It was a very good presentation. He was very entertaining and energized, and it energized us, I believe. I feel like that we learned a process to actually put into action, and I believe I'll learn more from his book also. He will definitely keep you awake and give you good information that you can actually go back and use as soon as you get back to your office. It would be very beneficial to managers and frontline staff also. Clay was great, and he should come to anyone's next event that they really want motivated. Clay is very motivational, and he'll motivate your staff to do the same things, frontline staff and managers, I believe.